This is Novoten Shop I channel. We are here at Lucas Muripe Stadium, Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Sekhukhune United 0. My brother, how's it?
I'm good, Mr. Ngob. I'm very good.
Good man. What's your take on the game tonight?
Yeah, it was a tough game. So when I see the first half and the second half, it was for 50-50. Unlikely because of Sundowns. They just go for last bets.
Yeah.
But anyway, what can I say? It's got a small touches. It's a foul. A small touches, not foul.
Yeah.
It means always Sundowns. It's beneficial for referee. Always, because the small touches is a foul. Why?
Yeah.
Why? Because always in Sundowns they bring the special referee to ref any a small touches.
Yeah.
It's a foul. But what can I say? I don't care. We're gonna meet him. And then there's the semi-final. So, but I've got sure that we're gonna win for that match.
So are you
go for final?
Are you not afraid that you're gonna lose to Sundowns?
Now they're gonna be big match. So I think maybe for final they're gonna be Kaizer Chiefs versus Orlando Pirates. The final, I've got sure. For now, we're gonna fight until we beat Sundowns.
Yeah, plus Sundowns owe you, big time.
Yes,
and they've been beating you left, right, and center. I know you are scared of them.
I know I'm scared Sundowns. Yeah. But now, for now, we're gonna make sure. We're gonna make sure we're gonna win Sundowns. We're gonna make sure. Then I'm talking about for Tuesday. For Tuesday, I'm gonna support Sundowns because of for tax. Because why? For let's say Sundowns win maybe 100 million. For tax we're talking about value-added tax. We tax for 15%. So 15% is 15 million. So for that money, they're gonna use to fix the road and fixing the
Not the government. Are you saying Sundowns is the government?
Yes, for Sundowns it's a government. It's a government because of for taxation. Because when maybe it's 100 million, we tax for 15%. 15% is 15 million. So for that money, gonna use for road, for houses, and for child grant. For that I'm saying, when Sundowns play with the other team from Africa, I support them. Because of. We are just forced to because of taxation. But when Sundowns play with Sekhukhune, what? Obviously, I'm the master always. Even for that guy. Always when kids play with the other team, we support we. Let's say
you support Kaizer Chiefs because it's PSL.
No, you are lying. You are lying.
I'm not lying.
You are lying.
Now, if favor Kaizer Chiefs, you support Mamelodi Sundowns.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much, Mr. Ngob.
All the best. All the best in semi-final.
So what can I say? For us in peace, Gubevu. It's very painful for us, especially for Kaizer Chiefs fans. We are going through a lot. For last month we have buried Mr. Lulu. For this month this is Gubevu. So we are going through a lot. Always we.
Thanks, my brother.
It's a life.
May his soul rest in peace.
Okay, thank you very much.